There is money all around me. So much money changes hands every single day. I am just tapping into the flow of money that is already there. Isn't it wonderful that I can press buttons on my computer and it can send an order that creates profit for me? It has never been easier for me to increase my abundance. Technology has allowed us to have access to so many ways to make money. My money is multiplying exponentially. My monthly income is now my daily income. I have the ability to learn new ways to make money simply by being open to the infinite field of possibilities. I ask myself, how can I increase my income? And then I simply listen for an answer. I listen to the silence. I listen for the still quiet voice inside of me. Suddenly, an idea or thought will pop into my head. This is the answer from the infinite field of possibilities. This is the direction that I am supposed to follow. When I receive an answer from the infinite field of possibilities, all the cooperating components will then start showing up in my life, as long as I have said yes to the idea and I am taking some action. The action may be something as simple as watching a video about the topic, or researching it further, or writing down the idea in my journal. Anything that gives attention to the idea. This is equivalent to me saying, yes, I am open to this possibility. Then one thing will lead to another. Random people will bring up helpful suggestions in conversation, or I will land on a website that answers a question that I didn't even know I had, or I will start learning or hearing about things that all fit together with the topic that I said yes to. Even when I have roadblocks, I will find another solution, as long as I am open to getting the solution from the infinite field of possibilities, as long as I believe that for every problem there is already a solution out there, as long as I remember that the knowledge is already in the quantum field. Progress and making more money is about connecting to the stillness and being open to being led in a direction, even if that direction is unfamiliar to you, even if that direction is unknown to you, even if that direction is scary to you. Fear is just your human mind not understanding things beyond what you can see with your senses. If you could see all the infinite, amazing things available to you, you wouldn't be afraid. You would be excited. You are afraid because you want to control everything. But success comes when you release the control and follow your intuition, when you trust in the unseen, when you trust in the possibilities.